Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a cinematic portrait using dust overlays. Add a soft gradient behind the subject for depth, and now import dust overlays and set blending modes to the screen. Use the eraser tool to clean up unwanted particles and add warm tones and cool teal tones using color balance. Now paint soft highlights along with face edges and add lens flares or bokeh overlays for extra drama. And also apply a vignette around the edges for cinematic framing. Now type your title using a movie style font and add subtle grain for film textures and adjust